In today's video, I will walk you through how to verify your Shopify account. There are two different verification paths mentioned in this process, depending on how your Shopify account was created. If you are signing up using a social login option, select either Google, Facebook, or Apple during the account creation process. When you use one of these available social login methods, the account is automatically verified as part of the sign-up process. After choosing your preferred social login option and completing the sign-in process, no separate email verification step is required. The account verification is handled automatically, allowing you to continue with your account setup. If you are creating your Shopify account using a regular email address instead, the process is slightly different. Complete the initial account sign-up process using your email address and continue through the registration steps. After the sign-up process is completed, Shopify will send a verification email to the email address that was used during registration. Open your email inbox and look for the verification message sent by Shopify. If the email does not appear in your primary inbox right away, check your spam folder or junk folder as well. Once you locate the verification email, open it and review the contents of the message. Inside the email, you will find either a verification link or a verification button. Click the link or button provided in the email to continue. After selecting the verification link or button, Shopify will process the verification request for your account. Wait for the verification process to complete. Once the verification has been successfully processed, your account will be verified. If you used a social login option such as Google, Facebook, or Apple, the verification process is completed automatically during account creation. If you used a standard email address, completing the verification email step is required to finish the process. When reviewing your inbox, make sure you are checking the same email address that was used during account registration. This will help ensure that you locate the correct verification message. If the verification email takes a few moments to arrive, wait for the email service to finish updating before checking again. Continue following any prompts that appear after selecting the verification link until the process is completed. Once the verification has been completed successfully, your Shopify account will be verified and ready for use. Whether you verified your account automatically through a social login or by clicking the verification link sent to your email address, the process ends once Shopify confirms the verification. And that is how to verify your Shopify account. Thank you for watching.